Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's another beautiful buttercream textured cake with cascade flowers. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. basically, to make this beautiful cake, what I did is that I first did my crumb coat and then pop it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I did my second coat of buttercream. And by the way, the recipe that I use in almost all my videos is in my description box down below. If you guys find it too sweet, I also have a Swiss meringue buttercream recipe, which is in my blog. You can go ahead and look at that also. So what I did is that once it was all covered, I chose white, but you can choose whatever color that you want. I used a paper towel and a little bit of buttercream, and then just went dab, 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 dab onto the sections that I want. You can do the whole entire cake if you wish, or just do sections like I said. And then it just gives that nice little, almost like stucco effect, and it just gives a beautiful texture to the cake, which is super simple. So that was for that. And then with a little bit of edible metallic paint, I just went ahead and then splashed it to my cake, and then it created that nice little splash also. I also added little mini sugar pearls and some bigger sugar pearls that I painted here and there, so you have some white and golds. But again, you can paint it whatever color you want. It could be black also, it could be silver, whatever color that you're choosing. And then for the flowers, what I did is I piped buttercream to the section of the cake where I wanted the flowers to stay. In this case, I didn't use any floral tape. I didn't use also toothpick. It was simply the buttercream, and then I placed my flowers. Again, I say it in all my videos, flowers are beautiful, but make sure that your flowers are non-toxic and they're not poisonous. You don't want, last thing you want is to have a poisonous cake. So make sure that whatever flowers you're using, you're protecting your cake and it's food protected. So that's what I did. I placed the buttercream and then placed my flowers onto the buttercream, so like that the buttercream is protecting the cake. And then I finished the look with leaves. The leaves that I used, first of all, you guys noticed it, I changed the color. It was nice and green, but because I had like that gold going on, I was like, oh, let me change it. So basically, leaves are super easy to paint. Simply go ahead and with a clean brush and edible metallic paint them, let them dry, and they almost look like fake, but actually they're real. So yeah, you can do that. And again, I placed a little bit of buttercream, and that was it. Beautiful, simple cake, very easy to make. Oh, and I also did that cute little border at the end, and I transferred the cake before doing all the deco to a stand. Make sure that the stand is flat at the top so that you don't want your cake to be wobbling or falling down. So that's what I did. I transferred the cake to a nice cake plate, a cake holder, and then I did a cute little border, and that was it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.